How to multitask on your iPad. So in this video, I'll show you how to use the split screen feature on your iPad, and this will allow you to use multiple apps at the same time, which is perfect for when you're trying to multitask. Now the first thing you'll need to do is go and open up the settings on your iPad. And then from the left-hand side, scroll down to multitasking and gestures, and make sure you have windowed apps selected. Now this won't work on full screen apps, so make sure you have the Windows app turned on. Now once you've done this, close out of the settings window, and then you can go and load up the first app that you want to start using. Now once you've opened the first app, use your finger to move the app like so, and then you should see these three dots in the top left-hand side. Now go and hold your finger down on these three dots, and you'll have the option to move and resize. So just go and select any of these layouts from the list. I'm going to select all the way over to the left. You could then close out of here and go and open the second app that you want to start using at the same time. You could then do the same thing by repositioning this app. You should then see the three circular dots. Go and hold your finger down on these once again, and where it says move and resize, this time we're going to select over to the right. As you can see now, we have two windows side by side. Now if you want to make one window larger than the other, you can do that simply by dragging over from the right or the left hand side. You can also go and open a third or even a fourth app as well. Just basically continue with the exact same steps as before. And you can see we have the option for a 3-column layout. You can also even go and change this to 4 apps as well. So that's how to multitask and split screen on your iPad.